Pi Educational Services.
Hi learners, welcome again to another episode of our learning. I am Mr. Salam. In our previous video, we treated two examples on problems on number basis using equation. In this video, we're going to look at more examples. Get your writing materials and let's get started. So we're going to look at example 4. The question here says, solve for x if (404 base 5 equals to 150 base x. So let's look at the solution here. Now, the first thing we're going to do is convert both numbers to base 10. So we have 404 base 5. So this will be 0, this will be 1, and this will be 2, equals to 150 base x. So this will be 0, this will be 1, and this will be 2. So here we have 4 multiplied by 5 squared plus 0 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 1 plus 4 multiplied by 5 raised to the power of 0 equals to 1 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2 plus 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of 1 plus 0 multiplied by x raised to the power of 0. Of course, 5 squared is 25, then multiplied by 4, that will give you 100, plus 5 raised to the power of 1 is 5, multiplied by 0 will give you 0, plus 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1 multiplied by 4, that will give you 4, equals to x squared plus 5x, then plus 0. 100 plus 0 plus 4 will give you 104, equals to x squared plus 5x. So let's equate everything to 0 by taking 104 to the other side. So we have x squared. So we have 0 equals to x squared plus 5x. When you take 104 to the other side, that becomes minus 104. So this can be written as x squared plus 5x minus 104 equals to 0. So this is now a quadratic equation. Let's factorize this to find the value of x. So to factorize this, we can use this short method, which is the butterfly method. The constant value here is negative 104, and the coefficient of x is 5. So you look for two numbers that can be multiplied to give negative 104. So when you have the same numbers, you have 5. So the numbers would be 13 and negative 8. 13 times negative 8 will give you negative 104, and 13 minus 8 will give you 5. So we divide by the leading coefficient. The leading coefficient here is 1. So we divide by 1. So the factorized form would be the denominator, x, that is x, then the numerator plus 13 into bracket x minus 8 here equals to 0. So if x plus 13 multiplied by x minus 8 is 0, then x plus 13 will be 0, or x minus 8 equals to 0. So x will give you negative 13, or x will give us 8. So since a number base cannot be negative, so the number base cannot be negative, so this can be the answer. So we'll take this. So the value of x will be 8. So that is very simple, as simple as that. So thank you very much for your time. In our next video, we're going to pick another topic. Thank you and have a wonderful time to yourself. Bye.